let's ring one of these up. Are we on recording? Here's our oil control ring set. Oops. Oh, come on now. Alright, I'm gonna have to put it does not like having that one in there first. So pop it back out without stretching it. So where is the gap at? Where did I just put the gap? Right here. Let's put that right there, and then we'll put this one a little bit off angle. We're going to go top. Feed it around. Put it on the top side like that. And then this one's going to go over here on the bottom. Like that. There we go. Oh, come on. Something just found out. What was it? Whoops. Ah, you suck. Alright, take it back out. Do it again.
"12 seconds later."
Something goofy is going on with this. It's getting caught up on top of itself right here. I don't know why it's doing that.
2 hours later.
Right. That one is good. Now this one needs to be over here. There we go. I think I can get that to work with me. I think. Stay. Alright. Alright, now we've got the middle one, which has the groove on it. Top, the groove goes down. This one needs to be positioned off center. Last one. This one has an inside groove, and as you can see, it says top. Inside groove goes up. That one is ready. Let's go ahead and put it in the engine actually. This is number 1. notch to notch. And notch to notch. Then ring compressor. I want to put a little bit right around top of the cylinder. Some on the bearings. On the rod and the cap. Now we're going to make sure we put this on the right way. The large indentions here are the intake, the smaller are the exhaust. So it shows an arrow here pointing to the left. That is to the timing chain. So if you think about position of the engine when you're looking at it, the oil pump is, the oil filter is on this side, is on the side I'm on. So that's the exhaust, that's where the header comes out. So with the flywheel on this side, timing chain on this side, you should have intake on this side, exhaust on this. So it goes in like this. Except that the crank is not in the right place. I need to rotate the crank around. And my rubber protector fell off. So we need to push the crank so that number one is all the way down. So now I can look straight down and see on the top of the journal. Put this protector back on. Oh, I have it upside down for the arrow, pointing that way. Slowly we're going to set it down. The piston drops. Now we're going to start tapping down a little bit at a time until it goes down. If it stops, even with a light tap, like that, see what's going on. The rod's still loose, it hasn't touched anything yet, so it's starting to, rings are starting to catch, so tighten it up a little bit. There it goes. Let's check the bottom. Still loose. There we go. Now we want to push it all the way down until the rod bearing for the crank touches the journal. You can't see that with it is the way it is right now, so let's push the piston down a little bit and then we'll flip the block over. Take these off. And we'll need to tap it on up. Until it stops. I'll put some down in the oil galley hole there. Now, make sure you put the cap on right. Here's one. Looks like one is stamped on this side. I'm going to torque them all at the same time. I'm not doing that right now, but here we go. There's number one. Man, that rotates so smoothly. One is done. I'm going to do the rest of them, probably time lapse. Alright, so torque on the caps, big end caps, is the same as the mains. It is 20 Newton meters and then 90 degrees. That is a 14 millimeter 12 point. Done. Get up there. All right. Head gasket time. Actually, I think I'm going to measure valve clearance based on the little taps I've seen in here. Make sure there's not going to be an issue with the valves contacting once it's all back together.